And well, there's a saying in the deep south, it's not the heat that gets you, it's the humidity. And well, that couldn't be any more true. Heading into the rest of this week, 3D live radar shows a storm out just
Monday
towards the south.
Through the early morning hours, that's where we're holding on to that severe thunderstorm potential here up towards the west. This line will start to make its way southeast again overnight heading into your Monday morning. This will push out towards the south and east, bringing that much needed rainfall into King County. Now, Monday afternoon, we'll have to watch just to the south of that I-20 corridor near San Angelo, where our main concern will be. Now, your Memorial Day forecast, fortunately, we have a lot more rain, so if you haven't bought a boat yet, it is not too
heading into this
yet.
Friday, we do have a full moon. That'll be the buck moon, known for the time when young male deer grow their antlers. And of course, Dan will tell us a little bit more about the bucks in sports. And of course, perhaps no coincidence that we do have the buck moon.
We should almost pat ourselves on the back. Drought monitor is clear as it can be, although summer is on the way. That means warmer temperatures and streaks without seeing any precipitation. Now, we could see some of that drought trickle back in, especially with temperatures like this. You can see the damage that cold front has done, dropping the temperatures compared to yesterday, 22 degrees cooler than we were at this exact same time.
By the numbers, we've already broken records here this year, and this year has been one unlike any other. Here, 30 named storms so far, 13 hurricanes, and now with Iota we have 6 major hurricanes on record. Taking a closer look, unfortunately, some more disheartening news. We have another system that the National Hurricane Center gave up to a 40% chance of formation, and here we're not looking at the wrong area, folks. This is the same area where Iota currently is, so it's definitely some devastating.
Most of us are preparing for the festive holiday ahead, but here is a look at those pesky rain chances. 3D live radar shows a line of showers continuing to make their way out towards the south. A few showers present off towards the south and eastern edges of the key city of Abilene, some out near Brownwood and even getting close to Snyder. Seeing lightning being indicated on 3D live radar, we always remind you that if you hear thunder roar, it's time to head indoors.
Now, this is your KRBC Storm Track weather forecast from Meteorologist Susana Harbert. Sponsored by First Bank Texas.
Well, good Sunday evening there, Big Country. We should all give ourselves a round of applause. We finally made it to that century mark today. High temperatures across the Lone Star State. There you can see it, 100 degrees. We haven't hit it since October 11th of last year. Now, not to beat us out, San Angelo at 102 degrees, Del Rio at 101, as well as near Laredo. 99 was the high in Wichita Falls. If we get closer to the Big Country, we can see plenty of areas saw those triple digits, and that's what we can expect heading into tomorrow. But take a look at this. We almost got there, but not quite for breaking the record. There you can see the latest 100-degree day ever on record was August 22nd. The average, we usually see those 100-degree temperatures come June 16. Now, over the next couple of days, we can expect the temperatures to be on that increasing trend. As of right now, they mostly are in the 70s and holding on to the 80s in some area. There you can see wind speeds are mainly coming out of the south and the east at about 9 miles per hour in the city of Abilene. Now, we talked about those temperatures remaining warm, so you definitely want to stay hydrated out there. Temperatures continue into the triple digits by your Tuesday. Then Wednesday, we start to see those temperatures cool down just a bit into the upper 90s and then back up once again heading into your Friday. Now, we do have a few rain chances in store for the area, mainly scattered across the region. Here we can see heading into Monday morning, a little bit of that cloud cover starts to move in, but very scattered in nature. We'll start to see those storms bloom heading into the evening hours, where we have a lot more potential for those storms. Now, heading into the overnight hours, we will see these storms tend to die off, but then back again heading into your Tuesdays, when we'll start to see again those storms bloom, really heading into the evening hours and dissipating slowly by your Tuesday night. Now, we know that not all of the severe thunderstorms are the same. Heading into the second day of August, August. The National Weather Service is implementing a wireless emergency alert, but only for a certain threat category. The first one will be baseline at about 58 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. That's when they issue the first severe thunderstorm warning. Now, second comes considerable threat damage. That means 70-mile-per-hour winds and even golf ball-size hail possible. Now, with the wireless emergency alert, that's when they'll issue a WEA push on your cell phone to let you know that you have baseball hail and destructive winds heading your way to keep you out of danger. Now, moving on and changing topics, here you can see the dust plume in the Sahara that has traveled over 5,000 miles to get here, allowing for the moderate air quality across areas of the Lone Star State. And we do have some more plumes on the way. So something to be noteful as of right now. In the Eastern Pacific, we do have two systems that have about a 70% chance of formation within the next 2 and 5 days. Now, while the Atlantic has stayed rather quiet, we are monitoring a system that has about a 50% chance of formation there. Now, here is a look at your 5 and 7 day forecast. We remind you that we have isolated chances for some showers, but those triple digits will continue heading into the next 2 days. Now, keep in mind, Wednesday, we do have about a 20% chance of showers with cloud cover around 96 degrees heading into your Thursday and Friday, near average at 97, 98. Then we're warming up heading into the weekend at about 100 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and drop in the sodium polyacrylate. And here you can see how the snow is just coming off. We know that heat rises in the atmosphere. So here we go. And there you guys go.